How to change your username on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of 1-2 Step. If you're also trying to change your username on Spotify, then this is going to be the right video for you because I'm going to show you and tell you everything that you need to know. First of all, let's head over to the app of Spotify. Now once you open up the app, tap on the settings icon on the top right, and here you'd be able to see your name right here. If you tap on it, you'll be taken to this section and you can tap on edit. Now this is not your username of Spotify, but rather it could be called as your nickname or your display name of Spotify. This is how other people will see you on Spotify, but however this is not your username. Usernames are default and given to you by Spotify themselves. They include numbers and letters and could be only viewed through the website of Spotify on your PC. You can find your username on your Spotify using the website of Spotify on your PC on your profile section. But however, that cannot be changed and that username would be permanent. But however, this is the name other people see you as, and the username is not visible to others. So like I earlier said, this is the only name that you can change on your Spotify. So from here you can remove this existing name and type in anything that you want and tap on save on the top right. And this way your display name or nickname on Spotify will be easily changed. So that was the exact video. I hope you guys understood and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. And that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.